I'm Jules Shepherd, and I'm going to show you how to make deliciously easy homemade apple butter in a crock pot. Depending on the type of apples you select and how sweet they are, you can skip on adding much sugar to this wonderful fall jam. Spices and the apple's own natural sweetness are all you really need to make homemade apple butter. Start with 7 to 8 large apples. I used a mixture of Fuji, Granny Smith, and different types of apples like that. I core them, peel them, cut them into quarters or halves, and place them in the crock pot. Add a ½ inch of water to the bottom of the pot. Cover and cook on low for several hours, testing with a fork until they begin to fall apart, stirring periodically. When they're able to be easily mashed with a fork or potato masher, break the large chunks apart and add up to a ½ cup granulated cane, unrefined coconut. I add a little sugar, taste the apple butter, and decide if I need to add more or not. Then stir in these spices: 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon cloves, and a ¼ teaspoon salt. Continue to cook until there are no more large chunks of apple and the mixture has turned a rich dark brown color. Use a whisk or hand blender to puree the apples until completely smooth. Uncover the pot and continue to cook until the mixture has reduced to the consistency of the apple butter that you're used to. Remove the mixture from the heat or turn off the crock pot and allow to cool before canning or storing in sealed containers. Enjoy this easy-to-make crock pot apple butter with a delicious loaf of your favorite fresh bread, and share with some friends.